English Senior. Ready? Start. Mr. Speaker Sir, I am very happy to see several honorable members taking keen interest in the discussion on this subject. At the outset, I would like to point out that the Government of India, the Planning Commission and the Government of Tamil Nadu also are aware of the great importance that should be given to the rural development schemes. It is on account of this that they have been carrying out this work in the form of the community development projects, national extension service and local development works. In doing so, it is the desire of the government to provide all the basic amenities for the people living in the rural areas as quickly as possible so that they may be able to raise their standard of living. As has been already pointed out by the Prime Minister, it is our desire through this program to bring about a great change in society. It should be not merely in words but in action. It can be achieved by making the people realize that this is in their own hands. It should be made clear to them that with their own efforts they can improve not only their own condition but also the condition of their villages. At the same time, it may be pointed out that it is also our desire that this program should be no longer carried out only in certain model centers but in all the rural areas. In view of this, I may tell the honorable members here that we propose to extend this program to all the rural areas in the state. In this connection, I would like to impress on the honorable members one important thing. The local development works will cover the entire area and it is mainly for the benefit of the areas which are not covered by the other schemes. In the circumstances, it is for the people of the area concerned to come forward and take advantage of the funds and facilities which are available under this scheme. One of the most important things pointed out by an honorable member was that under the local development works, the people were required to make advance payments and that it was not possible for the people to do so. I may tell him and other honorable members that we have been relaxing the rules now and then in order to enable the people to take advantage of the facilities. In the same way, we are also looking into the question of delay in the matter of preparation of estimates. I would like to tell the honorable members on this occasion that these works should be treated as the works of the people. There is no question of contract as far as this matter is concerned. As a matter of fact, it has been made clear that if the people of the area come forward with their own contribution, then the work should be entrusted to them. Then there is another point raised by some honorable members. It was pointed out that there were areas where the people were not able to make a 50% contribution. I may inform them that under the National Extension Service Scheme, this is not insisted upon. Not only that, it may be mentioned here that in areas occupied by Adi Dravidars, sometimes works are taken up even without any contribution from them. So far as water supply schemes are concerned, we do not insist upon any contribution in respect of schemes which are meant purely for Adi Dravidar areas. This is the real state of affairs. Letter dated 10th May 1997 from Nathan and Company, Tiruchi to Messrs. Money and Company, Madurai. Dear sirs, we have for acknowledgement your letter dated the 26th April 1997. We are sorry to inform you that the goods sent to us last week have been received in a bad condition. The packing was not properly done. We are enclosing a list of damaged articles. We request you to kindly take up this matter with the railway authorities and inform us. In the meantime, we would like you to forward us to goods to replace those mentioned in the list. We want to deliver the goods to our customers quickly. We hope that you will give your early attention to this matter. We are also very much pleased with the designs of your new goods. We have got a ready sale for them. Your representative may be asked to call on us immediately. We wish to state that you are going to start a branch in a center place in Chennai and you are in need of some reputed firm to represent you in Andhra Pradesh also. We are having business connection in Andhra Pradesh and in some other states also. If you are in such an intention, we wish to depute our business manager to meet you in this regard and represent our case in person, assuring you of our prompt services. Yours faithfully, Senior Manager.